Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta from Pasta Evangelist, and today I will show you how to create the perfect lemon and ricotta filling for the filled pasta like ravioli and tortellini. So ragazzi, let me show you what ingredient you needed today to make the filled pasta. I have selected for you a really nice and fresh filling for today. We have lemon, which you will use only the zest, then a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, then Parmesan, and I have chosen basil. You can also go for fresh parsley, and of course my favorite is the fresh ricotta cheese. So let me tell you what you can also pair for your filled pasta. Today I have chosen the lemon. It reminds me a lot of the summertime in Italy when I used to travel a lot to Amalfi. It's the place that really reminds me of this nice and fresh lemon. They love to infuse pasta with the lemon in the area. And of course ricotta, it's one of my favorite cheese for filled pasta. So we are ready now to prepare the filling. So I have about 450 grams of ricotta. This will be enough for 4 to 5 people. It all depends how much ricotta you use for each raviolo. And yeah, it's now just a matter of adding all the ingredients. For 450 grams of ricotta, I will go for 1 full lemon zest. Make sure that you you go only for the zest, don't add any lemon juice, and then you slowly going to add the remaining ingredient. As I say, I'm going to use today fresh basil. I don't want you to put it too much fresh herbs because we want it to taste the lemon and the ricotta. When you put it too much of fresh herbs, it's going to change slightly the taste. So you can simply use your hand. Of course, they're nice and clean. Or you can chop with a knife. As you can see, guys, it's just a little bit to infuse the ricotta with some herbs, but I don't normally add it too much. Then I will go first with Parmesan. And the Parmesan, I always add first the cheese, and then I will continue to add a little bit of salt or pepper because I need to taste. Always taste before you add the salt. As Parmesan, it's already a pretty nice and salty cheese, so we don't want to add it too much. And of course, it's the best way of preparing the ingredient, and then give it a go and you taste it, guys. So we carry on adding, I would say about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Parmesan. I mean, if you like me, guys, every time they say 2 to 3 tablespoons, I put 4. It's just because I love Parmesan, and I think it's a really great ingredient to add to your filled pasta. So as you can see, guys, these are about 4 tablespoons of Parmesan. And yes, I'm going to mix first, and then probably we can go for just a tiny little bit of pepper. We don't want too much pepper. It's, again, this type of filling is very delicate, so we want it to leave really nice, and don't put it too much pepper, otherwise you're gonna have the spicy flavor. And as you can see, guys, the ricotta, it's a really nice and firm cheese, so perfect for filled pasta. If you think there is too much milk into your ricotta, what we do in Italy, normally we leave it to all the milk first, and then you can start mixing with the remaining ingredient. It smells amazing, guys. I can smell the lemon, the basil, and the Parmesan. Of course, that's the best part of the ricotta, which, guys, you need to taste a little bit, and then we can add a little bit more salt if you need. Otherwise, if you are absolutely fine with the taste, buonissimo. I love ricotta. This is very important, guys, because when you prepare your filling, you need to taste, just because I want you to make sure that you got the lemon, you got the Parmesan, just a little bit of fresh herbs. You need to really, I can taste everything. So now I will probably just go for a pinch of salt, not too much. As I say, the Parmesan, especially the one that I have used today, 18 month, it's very salty. So just a little bit of salt, just to give a taste, and we mix together, and that's your filling. It's ready, and buon appetito, ragazzi. Filled pasta, we absolutely love, from the north to the South Italy, to the beautiful island of Sicily and Sardinia. Grazie for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment below your favorite shape of pasta and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Grazie.